Hello there, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today's move is this. Oh, yes. Yes. Now, this is a move that I first saw done by a guy called Oli Pluck. And everybody learns how to do the roll down the arm. And I've done a video on that. You can check it out. But the roll up is super cool. And you can use it in a routine quite smoothly. And you can go from down to up, with the sound effects, of course. And the way we perform this move is like so. You're gonna do, you're basically, let me start from here. You're gonna learn to spin the bottle away from yourself. I'm holding my right hand. I wanna spin the bottle to the right. To the right, to the right. From there, you're gonna throw, and the bottle's gonna spin slightly like this. From there, you're gonna stick your hand underneath, okay, and it'll roll up your arm. Now, where it finishes, nobody knows. No, there is ways to control where it finishes, and that is by leaning forwards. If you lean forwards, the bottle will move forward. If I lean forwards again, doesn't make sense, but if I lean kind of backwards, doesn't make sense. If I lean forwards over the top of the bottle will come forwards. If I allow it to kind of go backwards and leave my shoulder down, the bottle will go backwards. I hope that makes sense. So stand up, the bottle will come forwards, come down, the bottle should go behind you. It'll also be where you roll that bottle up your arm as to where it finishes. Sometimes it'll just go the way, it won't go the direction that you want, but that's life. The more you practice it, the better it will become. And you can even do it with a working Flair bottle. I don't have one to hand, unfortunately, but it is possible. He used to do it from here, and then roll up his arm directly from a port. I really like this move because you can also try and incorporate it into a double roll. Woo! I can't do it. Woo! Something like this. I haven't practiced it for a while, but you get the roll down on one side and a roll up on the other side, and that is this week's 3-Minute Thursday. Thank you very much for watching. Hope everyone is keeping well. Until next week, see you then.